Limas MORCELLATOR. The most innovative complete tissue morcellation system with reusable and disposable handpieces used with safety isolation bags to make power morcellation safer. Limas MORCELLATOR system has touchscreen motor drive unit and an optional motor drive unit without touchscreen. The touchscreen system sets a default speed of 600 RPM and can be increased up to 3000. The speed can be brought down up to 50 RPM if needed. The backside of the motor drive unit has power switch and foot pedal socket. The activation of the cutter blade is enabled by pressing the foot pedal. The rotor cable is connected to the MDU by pressing the locking and unlocking button of the rotor connection port. The speed can be adjusted from 50 to 3000 RPM on the MDU. Without touchscreen, Limas MORCELLATOR trocar sheaths are connected to the handle to make it handpieces of different diameters. Limas MORCELLATOR has handpieces with effective length ranging 4 cm to 18 cm. The conical blunt tip obturator is inserted and locked onto the handle. Once the handpiece entered the abdominal cavity, then remove the obturator by pressing the unlocking button on the handle. Then the cutter blade is inserted into the handpiece and locked at the primary pinhole slot so that the cutter edge is not exposed. Once cutter blade is fully inserted and locked at the secondary pinhole slot, it exposes cutting edge for morcellation. The double ducker washer is placed onto the head of the cutter blade. The cylindrical head of the Limas MORCELLATOR rotor cable is inserted into the tubular area of the handle, as indicated on the rotor cable head, and lock it with the locking ring of the handle. The arrows are matched while inserting and ensure it is properly locked. The length adjusting rings placed on the outside of the handpiece to adjust the length inside the abdomen. Limas MORCELLATOR handpieces have gas and flow inlets. The back end of the handpiece is covered with handle head cap. The tenaculum is passed and tissues are extracted through the opening on the handle head cap. Limas MORCELLATOR has MDUs, with or without touchscreen, and reusable and disposable handpieces of 4 mm, 6 mm, 10 mm, 15 mm, 18 mm and 22 mm diameters. The safety isolation bags, made in bag morcellation, easy and simpler. The flexible introducer, the tubular guide, and the colored valves of the device makes the procedure steps simple. It also prevents the twisting of the device.